Now that issue 2 is passed, legalizing recreational marijuana, there are a number of questions about how and if this law will affect policies in the workplace.
Though marijuana will be legal, experts say using it recreationally could still get you fired. Aubrey Buckley has the breakdown and explains what you need to know.
Though we still have about a month until recreational marijuana is officially legal in Ohio, and even longer until you can buy it in a licensed dispensary, legal experts are breaking down what you need to know before that happens.
An employer can still terminate you. You can be fired for your use of marijuana, even if it's legal in Ohio, and even if you're doing it while you're not working.
Karina Conley with McDonald Hopkins law firm says specific language in the statute highlights employer rights, and policies will be up to each individual workplace. She says if you fail a drug test, you won't be eligible for workers' compensation, though testing parameters could vary, with marijuana lasting in your system longer than alcohol. And if you are fired, you won't be able to file a lawsuit.
If an employer terminates an employee in Ohio for their use of cannabis, even if that's a lawful use or an off-duty use, that employer is not able to be sued for terminating or disciplining or refusing to hire somebody that fails a drug test.
She tells me the transition is confusing for businesses too, unsure of what the next golden standard should be.
We're getting a lot of calls from clients about reviewing, updating, and even ramping up their employment policies. There is a gray area of, do we want to enforce this policy, or now that it's recreational, do we want to maybe look the other way?
So federally, marijuana is still illegal. So industries that abide by federal regulations like transportation, as well as safety-sensitive jobs like first responders and medical staff will probably continue to have drug-free policies. Conley suggests talking to your employer about the drug policy. Russ?
Probably a very good idea. A lot of questions still out there.
Yes.
All right, Bree, thank you very much.